for all nails. How's everyone? Welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such live tutorial. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. And happy Friday. Hope you all have a fabulous Friday.
See, Cece agreed with me. That was a bird.
Is that burps? Cece, are you sure? Okay, so you and Hugh team then. Kiwi. Strawberry. Banana. Apple. You can place them however you want. Oh, here. This, you see that how I separate it? It's just come.
See? Okay, say the apple look like a bird now.
What, apple like a bird? I want more kiwi, but I want half of the kiwi. Can turn half of the kiwi.
Can you break it by hand?
Yeah. Some of them are pre-cut already. Right here. This one is cut already.
Oh, wow.
See?
Did not know that.
Now you know. Learning something. I just know too. So I share with you whatever I know. For real. Lots of fruits for the summer. And then if I'm happy with this, we are going to pick up some clear. I'm gonna add some glitter. I love this glitter set, the newest ones. Also, I have touch of colors and a blast of colors. Those two glitters I use all year long. This one in the client's house. Nancy, what is new? I show her always a touch of color and blast of colors. This is new. It's new. You haven't get it. You haven't tried on this one yet. So that means it's still new to you. So it's new. So she laughs so hard. If you haven't get it on your nails yet, that means it's still new to you. I just add a little bit. All right.
Man, you do a lot of fruit with this one.
Sangria. Yes. Thor in Phoenix. You think? All right, so if you don't want glitter, do not do it like me. Just get it clear only. But if you want some glitter, I just try to show some colors on it and see what colors I like. Here is just really cool though. So I'm going to cap this with crystal clear. Cave Nail Art, hello, how are you? Okay, I see some comment just in case I miss anything. I hope he'll be nice. Tell me what everybody say.
Well, people are just watching and my guest is walking along, so not a whole lot common.
Are you sure you skip comment?
Not quite, no. But yes, Angie, say hello.
Hello back. Thanks so much. Facebook and Omera, hello Omera on Facebook. Thank you so much. I guess he'll just look on the Instagram. Can you check on the Instagram and Facebook as well? Sorry, the camera is a little bit above me, and I look down for the. I think I like these nails a lot. Maybe I should do the set for my nails. What do you think, and what do you like the best about this nails though?
A little bit low.
Too high. Looks good.
Hey, so Omira, yeah, she come over here. Because like she said, facial volume's kind of low.
Huh? What? I'm
So
sorry.
I guess the volume of the face was a little low. So just speak a bit louder. That's fine.
Adela, how are you? All right, so let it set for until it dry. Thank you, Benz.